You don't expect your air-fried chips to come with a side of surveillance, but research has found they might.
Do I need umbrella for tomorrow in London?
From tracking locations to listening to conversations to knowing your gender and date of birth, our devices, in some cases, are acutely smart.
People are not aware that smartphone voice recognition or air fryer voice recognition will gather everything that's going on in the background in the house. So, if your air fryer knows more about your morning routine and your house routine than your family, then I think we have to start looking at privacy a lot stricter.
Research by consumer group Which has found 2 brands were sending personal data to China, despite it being flagged in the privacy notice. The advice to always read the small print.
The companies which have a lot of reputation to lose, like Amazon or Google, they try to provide the information about terms and conditions in a reasonably large print. But it's the smaller manufacturers and the smaller brands that often can't afford translation. They might not even provide it for wrong reasons. They just may not be able to afford.
Among the devices with concerns were Chinese-manufactured air fryers, smartwatches, speakers and TVs. The data watchdog is calling out what it calls uncontrolled data collection. Manufacturers will get new transparency guidelines next spring.
We're going to be asking manufacturers to focus on these considerations around security, around transparency, around giving people control, about making sure their rights are respected. And we are really looking for the industry to make a step change now in terms of how it treats consumers in this area.
Consumer experts are concerned with how enforceable the guidelines will be for manufacturers based outside the UK. But if smart devices are here to stay, we need to trust how they work.
It looks like there will be cloudy skies.
Ashna Harinag, Sky News.